Hi everyone, this is Surabhi. Welcome back to my channel. So this is again going to be a vlog. So right now I'm going to a shopping mall. No, it is not South City, it is not Quest Mall, it is not Metro Plaza, but it is a mall which I feel like a lot of you have not visited. So if you want to know which mall this is, then you will have to stay tuned. Okay, so I have these masks. I'm carrying these masks just because I'm talking now. I am not wearing, but basically I'm waiting for the car. Once it will come, then I will go to the mall. Okay, so let me reveal where I am going. I'm going to Kiashit Exclusive. It is basically a shopping mall where you can find everything under one roof. Everything from Kiashit, starting from Indian wear, western wear, men's wear, makeup products, accessories, gold jewelry, and many more. So let us go. Okay, so we were stuck in the traffic and now we have started moving again. And yes, do let me know in the comment section below if you have visited Kiashit Exclusive or not, because I feel like a lot of you know about it, but many of you have not visited this place, and that is one of the reasons why I am making a vlog. So finally we have reached the place. On the left you can see Kiashit Exclusive. So how to come to this place, the address, everything you will find in the description box below. So do check it out. I think it would be convenient if you come here by booking a cab, because you really do not have to know the directions. Then you can just write Kiashit Exclusive as your destination and the cab will just drop you. So you do not have to worry about the directions at all. So yes, finally we have reached. There is something which you must know before you visit Kiashit Exclusive, that is, you are not allowed to go inside the mall by wearing your shoes. So you will have to take your shoes off before you can enter into the mall. So now I will be opening my shoes and I will keep them in this shoe rack, and you don't have to worry because it is completely safe. Okay, now I have kept my shoes. Those black slippers you can see out there, if you want you can wear these slippers and go inside, but if you want to go barefoot you can do that also. It's up to you. So if you want you can wear socks and come to this place. This is the ground floor. Here you can find a wide range of saris starting from Banarasi silk, cotton, Dhakai, handloom, Bangalore silk, pure silk, Kanjivaram, and many more. And Kiashit Exclusive also has a wide range of wedding collection for bride and the bridegroom. So if you want to shop for a wedding, then this is the place for you. You must visit this place. Okay, so from now on I will be adding voiceovers because I wasn't talking that time. So this is the third floor where you can find all types of jewelry and makeup products from Kiashit. That is Kiashit in a pink dress and that is her daughter in a green sari. They were actually doing a Facebook live from their Facebook page. So every day they go live on Facebook from their Facebook page and they show a lot of different products. Yes, and also they have started selling gold jewelry recently, so you can come here and check them out. In a while, you will be seeing me live along with Kyashat's daughter, and it was a very happy moment for me.
This is 76. তুমি চলে আসো। सो हम लोग के साथ एक्चुअली एक दोस्त है, सो आज ही उन आके गोल्ड खरीदे। सो তোমার নামটা ইন্ট্রোডিউস করো।
হাই, মাই নেম ইজ সুরভি দত্তা ভৌমিক। তো আমি রোজ ক্যাশেট এক্সক্লুসিভের লাইভ দেখি। মিষ্টিদি এত
তোমাকে একটু জোরে বলতে হবে কেন ল্যাপেলটা আমার কাছে আছে।
মিষ্টিদি এত সুন্দর করে প্রত্যেকদিন লাইভ করে, তো আমি, আমার মা, সবাই আমরা বসে লাইভ দেখি। আর আজকে ফাইনালি আমরা ক্যাশেট এক্সক্লুসিভে এসেছি এবং আমার এটা খুব পছন্দ হয়েছে, এই মান্তাসাটা। সেজন্য আমি মান্তাসাটা আজকে কিনেই নিলাম। তো কিছু কিনবো মনে করে আসিনি, কিন্তু এসে এত ভালো লাগলো যে এটা আমি ফাইনালি কিনে নিলাম। আর এখানে কালেকশন খুবই 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 সুন্দর। তো আমি বলছি যে সবাই এখানে আসো, এখানে এসে দেখো, অনেক কালেকশন আছে, গোল্ড আছে, অনেক কসমেটিক্স আছে, অনেক ওয়েস্টার্ন ওয়্যার, এথনিক ওয়্যার, সব কিছু আছে। তো তোমরা সবাই ঝটপট চলে এসো। আর এখানে খুবই সুন্দর, খুবই সুন্দর। আমার মাকে থ্যাংক ইউ। আর আমার মা আছে এখানে, আমার মা প্রত্যেকদিন লাইভ দেখে। মা প্লিজ এসো।
হ্যাঁ, আমি প্রত্যেকদিন লাইভ দেখি। মিষ্টি দেখতে 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 আমি বাধ্য মিষ্টি টেনে নিয়ে এসেছি। তো ভালো লাগলো, একটা কিনে নিলাম কিছু। তো লাইভ দেখতে বেশি এসে সবাই আসুন, এসে কিনুন, দেখুন, ভালো লাগবে।
হ্যাঁ, খুবই
আমাদেরও তাই ভালো লাগলো। আমি এসেছি বটে, না কেনা এসে কিনে নিলাম একটা জিনিস।
হ্যাঁ, তো যারা রোজ লাইভে আসতে পারে না, তো আমার মনে হয় সবারই একবার অ্যাটলিস্ট আসা উচিত, এসে দেখা উচিত। কেনাটা পরের কথা, বাট এসে অ্যাটলিস্ট দেখাটা উচিত। তো থ্যাংক ইউ।
তোমার না এটা দেখিয়ে দাও।
এই যে খুবই সুন্দর।
দেখাচ্ছি না, তুমি জাস্ট এরম ভাবে দেখো। হ্যাঁ,
থ্যাংক ইউ।
সো এখানে তোমরা তো একজনের সাথে আলাপ করে নিলে যে এখানে এসেই ফার্স্ট এসে বললো কি আমি একটা মান্তাসা দেখবো, এসে পছন্দ করে নিয়ে নিল। সো তোমার
Okay, so I hope you enjoyed watching the last clip. So many of you wanted to see this Facebook live, so I thought of adding the clip in this video. So yes, I hope you liked it. Okay, so this is still the 3rd floor. Here you can find many makeup products, shoes and many more accessories. You can see how beautifully this is decorated. I mean, the shopping mall looks amazing. It is very different from the other malls. If you don't visit this place, you won't understand. You can see it looks so classy and it looks so beautiful. So now you keep watching this video and keep enjoying. After all that, we went to the 4th floor. In the 4th floor, you can find all types of Western outfits. I basically wanted to go to the 4th floor because I wanted to check out their collections. Okay, now let's come to the price. So if you want to buy a top, then the minimum price is 800 rupees. I did not find anything which was below 800 rupees. Maybe if you go and check more thoroughly, you can find out, but I did not see anything which was less than 800 rupees. So whichever top I was checking, it was like 850 rupees, 899 rupees, like that. So yes, and also the gowns start from 1000 rupees and then it keeps on increasing. So if you think this is affordable by you, then you can come and visit this place. And it is not always about buying, but it is about coming and seeing the collections and enjoying. But I can assure you that if you visit Kyashet Exclusive, then you will not be disappointed at all. And I know that you will like something or the other and you will end up buying something. Now let me tell you a very important thing, that is, videography was prohibited inside the mall and so was photography, but I took permission for making these videos. But anyone who walks in will not get a permission. Only if you are a YouTuber and you tell them that you're going to upload it on your channel, then only they will give you the permission. But the thing is that you can go inside and click pictures of yourself. That is not prohibited, but you are not allowed to click the picture of any product. Hey guys, so I came out of the mall and now I am heading towards my home. So we did buy some stuff from Kyashet Exclusive and overall my day was amazing. So many unexpected things happened, like I was live on Facebook with Kyashet's daughter. In the mall we were talking a lot with Kyashet and her daughter, and I must say that they are very friendly and humble people. So I really liked it. And so yes, if you have liked watching this video, then you know what you have to do. I will be seeing you guys very soon with another interesting video. Till then, be happy, make others happy. Bye bye.